I was a victim of domestic violence. And received so much support from all the staff at Interfaith that they really made me feel special.
One moment 2 years ago forever changed Katie Bartlett. She had moved her family to Colorado in search of a fresh start when she nearly lost her life.
We were staying in a hotel. We thought that we'd be able to find a home, and I had been out here 2 days, and he tried to set me on fire in front of my kids.
That's when Katie said enough. She escaped the abuse with her children and just 2 backpacks full of clothes.
3 kids slept on one bed, 2 kids slept on a pull-out sofa, and I slept on the floor. And we did that for 3.5 months.
She had lost her home, her belongings, but found her second chance.
And I wanted to make my kids proud of me. So I did it. And we survived, but with a lot of help from Interfaith.
Interfaith is the last resort for so many people. Many of our clients are coming to us because of domestic violence. They have lost their homes because of foreclosure, or they've been evicted because they've lost their jobs.
Interfaith Community Services offers basic human services and enrichment programs to low-income people in western and unincorporated Arapahoe and northern Douglas counties. The need has never been greater.
Last year alone, we assisted more than 19,000 individuals. And you think about that, we are a staff of 13. And to provide assistance to so many individuals is just a wonderful thing.
Those who turn to Interfaith Community Services find help provided with dignity and respect.
Oh, the respect I received lifted my emotions up so high that first day. It made me feel like I could really accomplish better things in my life.
The ultimate goal, and we've said that since Maida Navis founded Interfaith back in the early 60s, is self-sufficiency. We want people to be able to take care of themselves.
Interfaith Community Services is a resource for clothing, personal hygiene items, and food.
This is enough to last a family for a week. And it will provide breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so 3 meals. And this is more food than a typical food bank would get.
But Interfaith also offers comprehensive transitional housing programs, rent, mortgage, and utility assistance, transportation help, case management, and much more.
Sorting school supplies for Ready Set School.
We have almost 600 backpacks full of new clothes, new shoes, all the school supplies for each specific child and their backpacks.
Wow, thank you so very much.
Ready Set School is one of the signature Interfaith events designed to make sure each child in this area is prepared for that first day of school.
It takes a huge stress off. Just to know that my girls are going to go to school, they're going to have everything they need, they're not going to be missing out. No kids are going to be looking at them like, why don't you have this and I do? You know, it's going to be great.
Thank you.
Cars have actually been lined up since 6:30 this morning. They are backed up, I would say probably a good 3/4 of a mile to a mile. So you can see the need for help and assistance for people so they also can have a happy holiday.
No one at Interfaith is forgotten during the holiday season.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Each year, volunteers hand out boxes to hundreds, all packed with the makings for a Thanksgiving meal and some extra food to get them through the week.
We just live paycheck by paycheck, so it's just really hard to budget money for special occasions like Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Thank you guys so much for getting up early and giving up your Saturday morning. It makes a huge difference to our seniors.
I'm Rocky Pearson, and this is my daughter Rachel. We are delivering to seniors.
The giving continues with Interfaith's Adopt a Family, Adopt a Senior program.
Oh, I appreciate it, really.
Homebound seniors and those with disabilities are delivered gifts bought specifically for them to lift them up during the holiday season.
It's wonderful. I tell you, I don't know what I would do
without Interfaith.
None of this would be possible without the help of our community. Those who believe in the mission and what we're doing here at Interfaith makes this all possible. We are just the conduit.
To support Interfaith is to touch the life of a senior unable to leave home, a child who deserves to start school prepared, a man who lost a job, a woman who escaped the unthinkable.
We are not in this alone. If your neighbor is suffering, ultimately down the line, we're all going to be suffering. So it's a community effort.
They are so kind and compassionate and giving. You walk in that door and you feel the love.
Interfaith Community Services is neighbors helping neighbors. It is a ray of hope for those who need it most.
And the reason I got through it was because of Interfaith. They will always have a place in my heart. I almost consider them part of my family.